Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the timing belt on a Toyota Land Cruiser. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a torque wrench, a set of sockets, and a new timing belt kit, which often includes a water pump and tensioner. Safety is paramount, so begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Next, you will need to drain the engine coolant and carefully remove the radiator and fan shroud to create ample working space at the front of the engine. Now, let's get to the timing belt itself. You'll need to remove several components that obstruct access. Start by taking off the accessory belts, followed by the power steering pump and the alternator, moving them aside. Next, carefully remove the crankshaft pulley and the outer timing belt covers. This will reveal the timing belt. Before removing the old belt, it is critical to align the crankshaft and camshaft timing marks perfectly to maintain engine synchronization. With everything exposed and marks aligned, you can now proceed with the belt replacement. Loosen the timing belt tensioner pulley and carefully slip off the old belt. When installing the new timing belt, pay extreme attention to keeping all the timing marks on the crankshaft and camshaft sprockets perfectly aligned. This is a crucial step for proper engine function. Once the new belt is in place, reinstall the tensioner pulley and apply the specified tension to the belt. The final stage involves reassembling your Land Cruiser. Reinstall all the components you removed, working in reverse order, including the timing belt covers, crankshaft pulley, and accessory belts. Don't forget to reconnect the battery. Next, refill the engine with the correct type and amount of coolant. Finally, start the engine and let it run. Listen carefully for any unusual noises and confirm that everything is operating smoothly. This ensures your new timing belt is functioning correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.